If you're a high net worth individual in the United States, paying more taxes than necessary can seriously impact your long-term wealth. But effective tax planning isn't about avoiding taxes or using questionable loopholes. It's about understanding the legal strategies available to you, protecting your assets, and creating a financial plan that works together with your investment, business, estate, and retirement goals. In this video, we'll look at several areas wealthy Americans commonly discuss with qualified tax and financial professionals. For high net worth households, taxes can affect much more than annual income. There can be federal income taxes, state taxes, capital gains taxes, estate and gift taxes, business taxes, and taxes associated with investment income. That's why wealthy individuals often look beyond simply asking, "How much tax do I owe this year?" Instead, the bigger question becomes, how can I structure my finances efficiently over many years while staying fully compliant with U.S. tax law? That long-term approach is where professional tax planning and wealth management become important. One major area is investment taxation. High net worth investors may have substantial portfolios containing stocks, real estate, private businesses, or other investments. Selling an appreciated asset can create a significant taxable gain. Tax professionals may evaluate strategies involving the timing of asset sales, tax loss harvesting, charitable giving, asset location, and long-term investment planning. The goal isn't necessarily to eliminate taxes. The goal is to understand when taxes may occur, how much they could be, and whether there are legal ways to manage the timing and impact. Because even a small improvement in after-tax investment returns can become significant when applied to a large portfolio over decades. Business owners often have even more complicated tax situations. An entrepreneur may receive income through a business, own real estate, have employees, maintain retirement plans, and invest profits back into the company. The right business structure and compensation strategy can have major tax implications. Depending on the circumstances, professionals may evaluate entity structure, retirement contributions, business deductions, and other legitimate tax planning opportunities. But this is where professional advice becomes especially important. A strategy that works for one business owner may be completely inappropriate for another. Another major concern for wealthy families is what happens to their assets after death. Estate planning can involve wills, trusts, beneficiary designations, gifting strategies, charitable planning, and liquidity planning. For families with significant assets, the objective is often not simply transferring wealth. It's also about making the transfer organized, protecting beneficiaries, reducing unnecessary costs where legally possible, and preparing for potential estate tax consequences. Because federal and state rules can change, wealthy families often review their estate plans periodically instead of creating one plan and forgetting about it. Tax planning works best when it is connected to the rest of your financial strategy. For example, an investment decision can affect your taxes. A business decision can affect your retirement strategy. A charitable contribution can affect both your tax situation and your estate plan. And an estate planning decision can affect how your family receives and manages wealth in the future. That's why high net worth wealth management is often coordinated across multiple areas rather than handled as a single investment account. A qualified CPA, tax attorney, estate planning attorney, and financial professional may each have different roles. The biggest takeaway is simple. High net worth tax planning is not about finding a magic loophole. It's about making informed, legal decisions before major financial events happen. If you have significant income, investments, business interests, or family wealth, professional tax and estate planning may help you understand your options and avoid expensive mistakes. Tax laws vary by individual circumstances and can change over time, so always consult a qualified U.S. tax professional or attorney before acting on any strategy discussed in this video. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more videos about US taxes, wealth management,